Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. US markets rebounded yesterday, shrugging off concerns over the escalating Middle East conflict. The S&P 500 rose 0.78%, the Nasdaq gained 1.29%, and the Dow added 0.49%. Asian markets are trading higher, following overnight gains on Wall Street. The Nikkei was up 4.2% and the Topix gained 3.7%. Australia's ASX 200 was trading 0.3% higher in the early hours. In India, Nifty settled at 24,481 yesterday, down 385 points, whereas Bank Nifty closed at 58,755, declining 1,084 points. Nifty opened with a gap down, but found strong support near the crucial 24,300 mark. The index formed a bullish candle with long shadows on both sides, highlighting a highly volatile session. While buyers stepped in at the 24,300 support zone, the price action suggests indecision at current levels. For today, immediate support is seen at 24,388 and the previous session low of 24,300. A close below this level could drag the index toward 24,000. On the upside, resistance stands at the previous session's high of 24,600 and around 24,800, which is the 23% Fibonacci retracement of the recent fall from 3rd February. Cash markets witnessed a violent exodus as foreign institutional investors offloaded a staggering 8,753 crore rupees, the largest single-day withdrawal since September 2025. This pushed MTD outflows to 11,741 crore rupees. This liquidity drain precipitated a catastrophic breakdown, with Nifty and Bank Nifty futures collapsing by 398 and 1,113 points respectively. Triggered by escalating US-Iran hostilities and crude surging past $80 to a 19-month high, the war risk sent the rupee to a record low of 92.16. While the $2.6 billion India-Canada nuclear fuel deal provided a terminal hour cushion, the underlying mechanics remain bearish. A sharp 23.4% surge in India VIX to 21.14, marking nearly a 50% surge over the last two trading sessions, confirms a definitive shift in the volatility regime. Yesterday's session saw an aggressive short build-up, with Nifty open interest rising 5.2% and Bank Nifty jumping a massive 19.2%. The 5-day trends show OI expanding by a massive 29% and 60% respectively. PCORs have compressed, with Nifty at 0.95 and Bank Nifty at 0.93, while option premiums have eased to 104 and 345 points respectively. In participant-wise open position, stark institutional divergence has emerged. FIIs have pivoted to sell on strength with a dismal 0.16 long-short ratio. Conversely, proprietary desks are trapped in short volatility delta hedging, while retail clients hold extreme net long future biases and heavy straddle-like bets. For the current weekly expiry, major resistance sits at 24,800 and 25,100, with critical support anchored at 24,300 and 24,000. Sectorally, Nifty IT gained 0.1%, while Nifty Metal fell 4%. In F&O, solar industries rose 4.4%, while Petronet LNG declined 9.5%. On commodities, gold climbed 1% to $5,138 on Wednesday, rebounding from a one-week low as the dollar eased and escalating Middle East tensions lifted safe haven demand. Copper rose 1.4% to $5.9, snapping a two-day slide in line with a broader metals rebound. Earlier weakness stemmed from a stronger dollar and concerns that geopolitical risks could weigh on global manufacturing demand. WTI crude traded with volatility, rebounding from the intraday low to settle 1.4% higher at $75.2 per barrel. Ongoing geopolitical tensions supported prices, offsetting bearish data that showed US crude inventories rose by 3.5 million barrels to 439 million, exceeding the 2.3 million barrel estimate. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.